everyone, so I am so happy to be back making videos for you guys, and I know I haven't been uploading, but anyway, I thought this would be a great video to do considering how some of us are looking for new ways to do our foundation. You'll find something that you've liked. So basically I went through and I think I've picked out 12, I want to say about 12 items that are all completely drugstore, and this is everything that I use to create my face for today. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the CoverGirl Queen, and this is in the Queen collection, and this is the foundation, and my tube looks so disgusting, but I love this foundation. It is a drugstore product. It's not too pricey, but it's, I don't know, drugstore foundations, the prices really went up on those lately, but I do love this product. It doesn't look like I've really used any of it, but this is one that I found out that you can get long wear, especially during the summer. It does have your SPF in it, so you're protected from the elements, and it's just a really nice foundation. These other two are by Revlon, and I am in love with Revlon foundations here this year. The first one is the Revlon Nearly Naked Foundation, and I absolutely love this foundation. It has been one that I wear basically almost on an everyday basis, and it's pretty much empty. This is one that I have finished up, and once I finish this one up, I think I'm going to move over to my CoverGirl Queen and so forth for drugstore foundations, but I absolutely love this. It's a nice light foundation. It's not one of those really heavy ones, and you just can set it with a powder. You cannot set it with a powder. It gives that perfect dewy effect. It doesn't look too oily. It's not greasy, but it's just perfect. It's right because my battery is dying as usual. The next one I'm going to talk to you about is the Revlon Color Stay Whipped Foundation, and this is in the color 340 Caramel. I absolutely love this foundation. It's light, it's nice, it's airy, and this is also another foundation that would definitely last all day long. I think it was saying that it was like 20 hours plus in the instructions when I first read it, and I do have a 24 hours of wear, which you're not going to wear your makeup for that long. But another wonderful foundation. I'm not sure if it has SPF in it or not, but because it's been a while since I had this and I've done a review on it, but this is a wonderful foundation. I have to say, the Wet n Wild Trios, these are really pigmented. I actually have the Knocking on Wood today on my eyes, and I just love these. They are really nice, they're really pigmented, they give off a lot of color, and they are wonderful color tattoos. These are products that you can wear alone, or you can build up printed other shadows on top, but either way that you use these are wonderful products. I would definitely recommend them, especially in the colors Bad to the Bronze and the other one that they have, the cream one. I would definitely recommend that one. I have to go back to CoverGirl because I am in love with the CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless Concealer, and I've used this in my Get Ready video, and I also linked that video down below, but I am actually in love with this concealer. It's nice, it's creamy, and it's not drying into your under eye area, and I absolutely love it. This is my go-to when I fall backups, and I really love it. I'm actually going to talk about two. I love my e.l.f. blushes. These are really cheap. These are about $3, and the Milani blushes. You can't go wrong with either one of these products, so I would definitely tell you guys to also check these out if you get a chance. This one is in Bellissimo Bronze, which is a really nice peachy color. I have it on today. And then the other one is in Tickled Pink, and that's by e.l.f. Really pretty blushes, and I absolutely love the Nivea lip butter. If you don't like wearing a lot of chapstick or something, I would definitely tell you to go with the Nivea lip butters. They're really nice, moisturizing, smooth, not overly sticky. And for lip products that I absolutely love, I love the Color Whisper line. These are really nice. They are really comparable to the Revlon lip butters, but I chose this one because it's in my favorite nude shade, so I think that this one is absolutely perfect. I'm loving the Rocket Mascara, and I would definitely tell you guys to pick this up. If you're into more of the wetter formulas of mascara, then this is definitely one that you would want to go with, and I believe you can get this in, mine's in waterproof, so it does come in waterproof as well. And my last product is a bronzer that I'm going to talk to you guys about, but this one is by CoverGirl, and this is from the Queen collection, but I really do love the CoverGirl Queen bronzers. It doesn't matter what ethnic group you're in. I would say that anyone could wear these. Just use a little bit of a lighter hand, but if you're looking for a bronzer or a contour powder, I would definitely tell you guys to go with these. My favorite drugstore products, like I said before, and I just wanted to share them with you guys today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them down below. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and don't forget Kik. which is a website where I actually do like little 30-second vlogs. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like the one you're seeing, and thumbs up the video for more videos like this as well. Thanks again, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.